Well, hello, we're today at Claudia Leah Design in Naples, Florida, and we're so lucky to have Jaima Brown with us. She is an awesome wallpaper designer, and we're getting a sneak peek into her new book, and already we're loving the colors, and let's see what was the inspiration for Jaima and why we like to use wallpaper.
Well, I love wallpaper because it instantly transforms a room. So, you've got the punch of color, plus you have some pattern, and it can really bring out your own personality. And here's a little sneak peek at our new chinoiserie mural in the emerald green. That's going to be very popular. And it looks great with modern furniture, traditional, whatever people's style is. It's not limiting. So why do you like to use wallpaper?
Wallpaper is just an awesome way to introduce pattern on color into a space. And people are often afraid of it, but I really would always recommend to use it because it can bring so much of your personality into the space. And you can just put your own stamp on it and make the room special in a pretty quick way. And I think you're just going to enjoy the process on how it's going up and how quickly it does the transformation for you.
And don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Bring out your personality.
That's right.
Thank you, Claudia, so much.
Oh, you're most welcome.
What's your website?
If you want to find out a little bit more how we use wallpaper in our spaces, go to claudia.decoratingden.com. And if you like what you see, give us a call.